In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw from this Jumptask. I'm going to take you through the step-by-step guide on how to withdraw, on how I've been withdrawing actually from this Jumptask. Okay, so here's the latest money that I want to withdraw. I'm just going to show you step-by-step guide on how to send it into your MetaMask wallet. Okay, and then the next video that I'll be dropping, I'm going to be showing you how to earn passively from this Jumptask. Here is a popular way to earn that have just been added into the Jumptask platform on how you can earn passively. All these are tasks you can watch to earn ads actually here. You can also do some search on Google, earn directly from Google by performing little search on Google. You can earn USDT from this. You can also earn passively from this particular website. There's a whole lot going on in this website. There are a whole lot of ways you can earn money from this website all for free. So I'll be showing you all of those ways in the next video, but specifically in this video, I'm just going to be showing you how to add your wallet and how to make a withdrawal. For those of you that want to get started, I'll be dropping the link right at the video description. Go and copy the link and start this project immediately and start making money off from this project. So if you're new to this channel, ensure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so that whenever I am dropping the next video, you will always be notified on time. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, withdrawal right here on this Jumptask. You have to first of all go and link your wallet. You have to link a wallet before you can even think of how to make a withdrawal. So for you to link a wallet, you have to click right here where you have these earnings. You click on that section. Okay, click on that section. So as soon as you click on that section, it's going to show you it's going to take you to this page right here. So you go ahead and click on add a wallet. Okay, like I said, you can only withdraw after adding a wallet. All right, so you go ahead and click on right here. You can see I've just added my wallet. Okay, this is my account details and I have just added my wallet. But for you to add your own wallet, you have to click on where you have this add right here. You click on add a wallet. Okay, as soon as you click on that add a wallet, it's going to take you to the next page where you can go and complete the process of adding a wallet right here on Jumptask. All right, I hope that is clear enough. So you ensure that your network is very, very stable while you're doing this. Okay, here you can see that if you click on that section, it's going to take you to right here. I have added my wallet initially before. That is why it is showing this. Okay, that is why it is showing this. You can see that here is my MetaMask wallet. Okay, but as soon as you want to add a wallet, if it takes you to this section, they will load up a page, a kind of connect button. A kind of button will be displaying right here for you to connect your wallet. Okay, so go ahead and click on that connect wallet button that will be showing right here. And when you click on that connect wallet button that will be showing right here, it's going to bring out a list of MetaMask a list of wallets for you. Like there are about 4 wallets that is going to pop out, display right here. Okay, it is going to bring out all of those list of wallets for you. So go ahead and make a selection, and normally you can select up to one from the list of selections. The wallet that will be displayed right at the screen for you, you can select just one alone. Okay, so me, I selected my MetaMask from the wallet that showed up. I selected MetaMask, and then when I selected that MetaMask, it took me to MetaMask to make a connection. Okay, and then if you click on it, it's going to load up your MetaMask for you. It will take you to MetaMask for you to go and click on to approve the connections. Okay, so as soon as it takes you, it redirects you back to your MetaMask. Please ensure that you approve the connection. All right, ensure that you follow the redirection. It will redirect you to MetaMask. Go and approve the connections. Okay, and after approving the connections, it will bring out a signature for you to sign. Please go ahead and sign that signature from your MetaMask. Okay, go ahead and sign that signature from your MetaMask, and then after signing in that signature, it is going to redirect you back to this your Jumptask page, and your wallet is going to be connected immediately. Okay, but in case you are lost along the line, drop your comments right at the video description, and I do reply to comment as soon as possible when I am online, okay? But I'm assuring you that if you follow the steps that I have showed you, that I have just explained right here in this video, you are going to connect your MetaMask automatically, okay? So as soon as you click right here, go ahead and follow, make a selection from the list of wallet that will show. I will suggest you select MetaMask. So as soon as you select MetaMask, it is going to route you to your MetaMask wallet where you can go and sign your signature and approve the connections. So whatsoever message that pops out in your MetaMask, please go ahead and agree to the connections, approve it. All right. So as soon as you approve it, it's going to route you back, bring you back to your Jumptask page right here, and it will show this. Once it shows this, then know that your wallet has been connected automatically. Okay. So now we can now go back and go and make the withdrawal. All right. I hope this is clear enough. Okay, good. Now you can now go ahead and click on pay. All right, click on this pay right here. Okay, so as soon as you click on that pay button right there, the blockchain is going to show. Now this is the blockchain that is going to show. It's going to show BSC. They recommend BSC network. BSC network is recommended. That means that this coin is going to be sent into the BSC blockchain right there on MetaMask. Okay, so you can actually decide to make a selection, either to select the Celo network or the BSC. But I chose the BSC network because I want the coin to be deposited, the money to be deposited into my BSC network, on MetaMask. All right, okay. So this is the one that I selected. That is why it is highlighting this. That's highlighted that. Okay. So here is my wallet to be sure that you've connected your wallet. Here's my MetaMask wallet that I connected following the process that I explained. Okay. So after verifying all of these details, here is the gas fee that will be deducted from this for these transactions to go. This particular gas will be deducted. All right. So as soon as you've confirmed that, you go ahead and click on payout. All right. You click on payout. And the transfer is in progress. You can see transfer is in progress. Okay, so in less than few seconds, the money is going to be deposited into your MetaMask. Okay, the money is going to be deposited into your MetaMask, and then you can cash out and sell it off immediately. So that is how you withdraw from this Jumptask. Okay, that is how you make a withdrawal right here in this Jumptask. All right. So if you have any question, leave them at the comment section, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.